How does the I-485 process work for an employment green card? Imagine being able to live and work in the United States legally, with your future in your hands. That's what the I-485 form is all about. It's the step that lets you change your visa status to a permanent resident. If you're in the U.S. on a work visa and your employer has sponsored you for a green card, this process is your next move. First, your employer needs to get a labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor. This proves that no qualified U.S. worker is available for the job you're doing. Once that's approved, your employer files the I-140, which is the immigrant petition for alien worker. This form shows USCIS that you meet the requirements for the green card category. Your priority date is set when USCIS receives the I-140. This date is important because it determines when you can file the I-485. You have to wait until your priority date becomes current according to the visa bulletin. Some categories allow you to file the I-485 at the same time as the I-140, called concurrent filing, if your priority date is current. When it's your turn, you submit the I-485 form to USCIS. This form asks for your personal details, proof of lawful entry into the U.S., and supporting documents like your passport, birth certificate, and proof of your employment. You also need a medical exam from a USCIS-approved doctor. Along with the I-485, you can apply for work authorization by submitting Form I-765 and travel permission with Form I-131. These are optional but very helpful. Once USCIS receives your application, they send a receipt notice. After a few weeks, you'll be scheduled for a biometrics appointment where they take your fingerprints, photograph, and signature. While your green card application is pending, you can get an employment authorization document, which is a work permit. You can also get advance parole, which allows you to travel outside the U.S. without risking your application. USCIS may schedule an interview to verify your information. Not everyone needs an interview, but it's common. After reviewing all your documents, background checks, and interview results, USCIS makes a decision. If approved, you will receive your green card in the mail. If you have a spouse or children under 21, they can also apply as derivatives. They will file their own I-485 forms and provide proof of their relationship. Understanding each step helps you stay prepared and less anxious about the process. Working with an immigration attorney can make sure all your paperwork is correct and submitted on time. In short, the I-485 process involves waiting for your priority date, filing your application, attending biometrics, possibly an interview, and finally receiving your green card. During this time, you can also get work and travel permissions to support your new life in America.